Hello guys, and welcome back to Tech. This is an ISO image of Windows 11, the latest version 24H2, and I'm going to show you how to install it on a virtual box. So without further delay, let's get started. First, as we have the ISO image on our downloads folder here, now let's just go to open our virtual box. So we have our Oracle virtual box here, so just open that. Right, so this is our Oracle virtual box. Already we have Windows 11 here, but we can just delete that off, or we don't need that. So let's just delete that off, remove that, delete all files. Yes, so now Windows 11 is removed. We just want to install the fresh and new latest version at the time of recording this video, as we have here. So just click on new. Right, so here you just type in your Windows name, Windows 11. Just don't select the ISO image yet. So we proceed, go to next, and here we have our RAM selection. You can select our RAM. Maybe for me, I'll select my RAM as 6 gig. 6 gig, and then the number of CPUs you'll be using on there. So I'll just leave it as 2. So now go to next. Right, here we have our hard drive size, which we are going to be selecting. So already 80 gig is selected, so I'll just leave it as it is. So leave that and then go to next. Right, so this is our hardware properties of our machines. So you just click on finish. Now Windows 11 is finished, but before we start it, we just have to power it on. As you can see, it says that power off. So just select that and click on start. Right, so as you can see, powering VM up. So as it has powered on, because we have not selected our ISO image, this is where we are going to be selecting our ISO file from our PC. Now just on the drop down menu, just click on it and then click on other. Now let's go to our downloads folder, as we have our Windows ISO image there. So click on downloads folder, and this is it. So we have Windows 11, so select that and then click on open. Right, so now you click on this mount and retry boot. So click on that, and you can see it says press any key. So you just have to press any key on your keyboard in order for the boot up to kick off. Right, as you can see, our Windows is loading, so you just need to have patience, as it depends on the spec of your PC. It might be fast or slow. Right, as the Windows 11 latest version has loaded, this is how the latest version is displayed during the installation process. So you just select your language, and then now let's just leave it as it is, English United States. So click on next, and we select our keyboard layout. So let's just leave it as US. Click on next, and it says I would like to install Windows 11 or repair your PC. If you already having Windows 11 on your PC, you can just click on repair, but I'm installing a fresh Windows, so I'll just leave it as install Windows 11 and select on I agree everything. So now go to next. It says product key. I don't have product key, so just keep that for now. So these are the Windows 11 versions that you have to select. So the version that you want, but I'm going to be selecting Windows 11 Pro, and then next. So you just have to accept the license and agreement. Right, so this is our hard drive here. So we select our hard drive, already is there. So you just select as it is being selected. So you just click on next, or you create the partition. In our case, it is unlocated, so let's create the partition. So just click on create the partition, and then just leave it as it is, or you can just partition your drive as to however you want it. So but in my case, I'm going to leave it all together. So we just apply, as it has been created. Now you click on next to proceed to the next step. Right, so it says you won't be able to use your PC during installation. Save and close before you begin. To recap, so we are installing Windows 11. We are keeping nothing. We are just clearing everything off the drive. Right, so you just click on install. As we are waiting for our Windows 11, it is installing now, so we just have to wait, as I'm going to speed up this video in order for us not to waste time. So let's speed it up to the next level. Alright, so as the PC just restart to the next step, it is going to be restarting severally. So as you can see, it's just finished with the first stage and it's now continuing the second stage. So just keep on, as I will speed up this stage to the next stage. So as our PC has restarted several times, now it has reached to this stage, which we have to select our language and region. So let's just leave it on United States, as we left it from the previous selections we did. So leave it this. So just select US keyboard layout. No, so we can skip for now because we only need one layout, one keyboard layout. Here, as you can see, we have to be connected to the internet before we can log in, and that is how Windows 11 works. Without internet connection, you can't log in. So if you have internet, you can just connect with your network and then continue to log in with your email. But in my case, I don't have internet currently connected, so I am going to use a command to skip this online login. So on your keyboard, just press Shift key plus F10, which will open command prompt. And once it opens command prompt, you just type this key, OOBE, then we have backslash, then we have bypass NRO. Right, so that is just the keyword. So once this is it, OOBE /bypass NRO. So once you are done with it, so just click on enter. So once you just click, as we've clicked on enter, you can see it is just saying at just a moment. So the PC is going to restart and come and start. It's going to restart and start at fresh again in order for us to skip with the online login. And now this is where we connect the internet once again, but as I said, now you can see I don't have internet. So previously there was nothing like that. So but now because of using the command prompt to give it that command, it's now having I don't have internet. So just click on that and then you use your local, which will be creating a local account to log in. So just type in your name. So I'm going to use my name, I'm now tech. Right, so just next. Right, you can type in a password if you want, but I don't need that for now. Right, so once you just select all this, you just have to wait. You just have to wait small for the PC to load by itself, as it says getting things ready for you. So just wait patiently for it to do all this process. So I'm going to speed up the video so that it doesn't delay time. Right, so as you can see, our PC is done. So we have created our PC virtually, and which is using the latest Windows 11 24H2. So to be sure that it's really Windows 11, the 24H2, if you click on start here and search for WinVar, so just type in WinVar. Right, so you open that. So now you can see we have here Windows version, this is the Windows version 24H2, so OS build 26100. So that is just it. This is the latest version of Windows 11. So we have that here, Windows Edition, Windows 11 Pro, and the version is 24H2. So let's just power it off and then power it on again for you to see. So just close all these pages as we are going to power it off. So that is just the latest Windows 11 version 24H2. So let's power it off, shut it down. As it's shutting down, you just have to wait patiently for it to load. For my PC, you can see it's slow, so it depends on your hardware properties, your machine hardware properties. So you just have to select the appropriate hardware properties in order for the Windows 11 latest version to run smoothly on your PC. Right, so as you can see, the PC is shut down. So now you can see Windows 11 is powered off. So let's power it on again so that you see how it is. So just select that, open the Oracle box and select that. Now you start. As you can see, powering VM up. So just wait for it to power it on. So how this one works, this is just a machine on its own, so which we created, so which is the reason why we just selected the hard drive and the RAM size all in addition. So that is just a machine, a standalone machine, which you can do whatever that you want as you have been doing on your PC. So our PC has booted once again. So guys, that is just how easy and simple it is to install the latest Windows 11 on a VirtualBox. Guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next video. Peace out.